Hi everybody, here is Matteo from Dupui. Welcome back to our showroom. Today I would like to introduce you a new feature of our best seller in the medium compact three-phase range, our W3 Infini. From 2022 we can produce this model also with 100 liters capacity container, thanks to a new trolley which has been developed to grant better stability and at the same time assure a bigger capacity to our container. The W3 Infini can be equipped with a 2.2 or 4 kilowatt powerful three-phase side channel blower. As you can see, it is placed on the bottom back of the unit. This grants the best stability also during the transportation with this very comfortable push handle. And at the same time it grants the best access to the filter chamber, very easy, granting an easy and quick maintenance for the filter. Remember, the W3 Infini is available also on ATEX Zone 22 certified version. Thank you for your attention and remember to follow our YouTube channel for more videos about our industrial vacuum solution.